Signal alerts, fixing the Verizon Fios yellow lights. Stuck with a solid yellow light on your Fios router? In this year, this is the most common indicator that your home network is cut off from the world. Whether it's a loose cable or a signal hang-up at the ONT, your router is waiting for an internet handshake that isn't coming. And today, we're talking about the step-by-step recovery to get your status light back to solid whites. Okay, and now the simplest fix, just unplug your router from the power for at least 30 seconds. While the router is off, go to your ONT and unplug its power as well. Then plug the ONT back in fast, wait 2 minutes, then plug in the router. This forces a fresh IP lease and fixes about 70% of yellow light issues instantly. And if the light is still yellow, check your hardware. So ensure that the cable from ONT is clicked securely into the WAN port on the back of your router. And then also check for overheating. Modern Wi-Fi 7 routers, like the certain models of modern Wi-Fi 7 routers, just run hot. If it's a cabinet or a covered in dust or something covered in dust, it can trigger yellow safe mode. So move it to an open space and ensure the vents are clear. If you're using a Wi-Fi extender and it's yellow, it just means it's too far from the main router, so just move it closer. And if your light is now solid white, you're back online. And that's it for this video, guys. Enjoy and see you soon.